Annyeong everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is the S variant of the new Honda City, and this one, although being the S variant, has the Modulo package. Just look at how handsome it looks like. Just look at those side skirts and the front chin. It just looks so good, especially looking from here. Don't step on these things, it will cause damage. Just look at this exterior, so good. And me and Regan, we were like joking about it that this might even look better than the RS variant. So RS variant is also part of the video very soon. So don't forget to hit subscribe button and like this video for more. And just look at the front grille, just lateral lines, piano gloss, and just look at this area. Many people just tend to bump this pointy area in the speed bump or the parking bumps. Just be careful. I like this area also, the daytime running light. And the headlights, I'll show you what they are. But there seems to be like panel gap, but it's not even flat. It is like more outwards for this bumper right there. Modulo. These are 16s. Disc brakes, MacPherson with stabilizer, side repeater. It's not here for this S variant. As you know, this is not the top variant. Just look, Modulo. And you have this badge here, Honda Custom Performance. Torsion beam with drum braking system at the back. And you also get the sun visor or the rain visor, shark's fin antenna. It looks so good also here. Just the form is so good with the spoiler. You have like top-up brake light and also another top-up brake light. City IV Tech. Single muffler down there. And of course we do get good trunk space, very good trunk space. And when you open that, you do get donut type of spare tire. Huge trunk space like we know of a Honda City. Now let me show you inside. Don't forget to subscribe and like this for more. Now the biggest change is, well, it's not the key. This is sadly it's not a smart key. It is a remote key, but it does look like a smart key, but it does have a push start. So I hope this can change. Or is it really smart key? Let's try that. Okay, it's not a smart key, see that? So hopefully in the future it will change to smart key since it has everything already. The door, plastic with fabric. Okay, the side mirror is manual folding. The seat has side airbag. The biggest changes here, I'll show you soon. There we go, go down here. And the dashboard area. So we have a push start button. On. Yeah, baby. This is good, right? It's so good. But we don't have backup camera. Okay, but we do have Honda sensing in a city. So we have a first. Automatic lighting, manual windshield wiper, traction off button. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. Now this is the S variant, so we don't get that cool accents, but we do have silver metallic here. Doesn't come down slowly. 12 volt USB and for the data. So what's good about this compartment is you can actually put your phone there instead of putting it here because my phone won't fit. Aircon, single zone, but it has the very classy sound you get. And this one, now you can see the color. You can even have the heat mode. This new head unit has wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. Boom! Fantastic. day and night. And visor has mirror for the driver. The headliner is in cream. We have side airbags. That's a great news. And the steering wheel is in urethane, but it's so good even in this S variant. You don't feel like this is the S variant, guys. The Econ mode, cup holders, the good old CVT that works well. Chrome accent, 2 cup holders here, so total of 4 cup holders. City feels like a Civic now. Look how big it is, right? Although there's not much changes here in the inside, but you know it is a good car. A great car indeed. That's the same 1.5 liter engine, 4-cylinder, mated to CVT. Now, if you like Honda, like if you're brand conscious, you should get this, okay? And then it has a naturally aspirated 1.5 liter engine, so it's different because nowadays it's always turbocharged. And I want you to listen to the sound of the muffler. That is a great sound indeed. Honda City, and this has the 1.5 liter naturally aspirated mated to a CVT. Now it has the S in the gear, which just makes it go sport mode. And what's the best thing now, the sweetest upgrade, is that it has now Honda sensing with lane keep assist and also adaptive cruise control. Can you believe it that we have safety sense in a city? And that is how we know that Honda is really serious of having zero casualty coming from their vehicles or by external factors. So driving a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated after driving the Brio 1.2, it is different day and night. So if you really want a car that is naturally aspirated, has a Honda badge, and it goes so well, and it's huge also, no longer the small city we know, you should get this. Oh my goodness, I can't believe you can have Honda sensing in the city now. So you will very much be happy when you drive this one. Yeah, there will be a more thorough, detailed review when I get the land out, but for now, please hit the like button, thumbs up, subscribe if you think the video helped you in any ways. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. May your dreams come true, everyone.